Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So no webcam today. It's playing up, doing whatever it's doing. No idea. I'll get it sorted tomorrow. But anyway, guys, today we're talking about a project that has actually been out before. They've got a new project coming out tomorrow, but well, the pre-sale's tomorrow, but they've got a new project coming out in 2 days, as you can see here. You've got 1 day and 22 hours for the public sale. They have their pre-sale tomorrow. But they are called the ADAPUNKSSOCIETY, and they do already have one project already out, which came out in January. Let's just go have a little look for it here. So this is the Twitter here. You can see the art. It looks absolutely brilliant. Let me just get up their last project for you guys. So you can go on to JPUG Store already. You can already check this out and see it. But ADAPUNKS3D have already come out. Currently at a floor price of 26, which is, it's not amazing, but you know what? That's completely fine. There's only 913 of them. They've got other collections coming out, and the team are working on things. And they've been around for a few months now, so trustworthy. They've been developing. They've got all that type of stuff going on. They've got a great community and a great following over on Twitter and in their Discord. But if we go back to the website here, which I will say, it looks okay. It looks good. As you scroll down, I would say maybe the font could change a little bit, maybe some more colours, because the grey just kind of look a bit basic. But overall, I think it's a nice, decent website for what they want to do, and it shows basically everything that they want. Like, they've got the countdown, which I really like to see on a website for a new project coming out. So yeah, in about 2 days' time, you can actually get into the ADAAPES3D mint day. So yeah, there you are. So that's what we're talking about today, ADAAPES3D. Here is where they're going to be showcasing all the projects they've got going on. So there we've got ADAPUNKS3D, which you can already check out and buy if you want one. ADAAPES3D here, which is coming out soon. And you've got ADAWomen3D and Community P. Not a clue what Community P will be. I'm going to assume ADAWomen3D is going to be similar to ADAPUNKS, but female versions. About ADAPUNKSSOCIETY, so let's just have a little read here, shall we? So ADAPUNKSSOCIETY is a multi-collection project with a vision to sustain and help build the CNFT community, with high-quality projects that reward holders with staking rewards, making it a great investment to every holder. So yes, this project will have staking, which I think is a brilliant passive income. I love it. I love passive income. If you watch my previous videos, I always talk about passive income. I'm going to show you how this project will be delivering passive income as well in the future, so we'll get to that in just a second. But our art is inspired by the original 3D Punk collection, making us the first 3D Punk collection on Cardano with our own unique touches. We are currently planning on releasing 4 Punk-inspired projects, as you guys saw above. Every collection will have its own touches, making them all unique in their own way. Join the movement and sustain this CNFT community. They do have a white paper, which we'll have a little look at in just a second. But if we go through the roadmap here, so Q1 is already done, and then Q2 here, we've got bigger marketing strategy, which if we go on their Twitter in just a second, you'll see their Twitter is absolutely blowing up. They're going to be releasing a new project, which we're talking about today. They're going to be contributing with a different type of events, and then they're going to be started on their next project, ADAWomen3D. And so on, expanding the team, implementing staking, keep the community. I'm unsure what that means, to be honest. Maybe if the team are watching this, bit of feedback on that. I don't know exactly what that means right there. Charity events, which are nice. And then they're going to be releasing the next project. And then in Q4, good resemblance for a great community. Invite other projects to our community, so they're doing maybe collaborations with others, which I think is neat. Community made projects, which I think is nice as well. I guess that's the thing up there that we just saw, wondering what that is. Holder giveaways, always amazing to do that. Empower our loyal fan base. Okay, cool. So yeah, join the Discord. I'm going to leave all links down below, guys. So join Discord, check out their other project that's already out if you guys are interested, and maybe just checking it out, see what that type of stuff is. And I'll leave all the white paper as well, so you guys can read this in your own time. So let's move over to the white paper. You can see here's a team. There's no links anywhere, I don't think, here, like to LinkedIn or Twitter or anything like that. So I don't think they're doxed or anything like that, guys. But they've been around for a while now, so you don't always need to be doxed to be a great project, because there's many projects out there with a team that aren't doxed at all. But please take that into consideration with any investment you do. Before we look at the white paper, let me just show you the staking dashboard while we're still on the website. You click staking, you come over here, and it explains to you what you need to do. So in order to collect the staking, you will need to have at least oh, a little pop up there, you will need to at least have one of each CNFT from every collection to be accepted to join the staking pool, which I think is really, it's a good idea, because one, that drives the floor price up for each project, because that means one person is going to have to buy 4 different NFTs, I believe, maybe, I think either the 3, if I think, yeah, they're including the community project there. So yeah, 4 projects, floor prices will rise, there will be less listed, and people will be earning passive income with all the different NFTs they've got, which is nice. So you can see there's a value point system. And if we go to the white paper here, it does explain that. So we'll move down to staking just in a second. But we're going to move down to ADAAPES3D because that's what we're talking about today. So let's just scroll down here. It's a nice small white paper. You guys can have a little read in the description if you guys want to click on that. So here we are, the 3D apes, which I think look pretty cool in my opinion. So first Punk Ape collection that our artists made, releasing on the Cardano blockchain in April, which is in 2 days, is the mint day. A collection of 6,666 3D apes, which is, I love that number for any NFT project with different traits. This collection has a larger budget, so the overall quality of the CNFTs is much greater, and design quality of all the traits is also on a higher level than our first project. So yeah, because if obviously got more funding from the first project, they're able to make the next project even better, and so on, so on, which I think is really good. They are using the money that investors have invested into them and people who've bought into Mint Day on the other project to improve the next one and just continue improving the business they have, making the quality better for all you guys, which is amazing to see. So here is the staking. We are here to sustain the CNFT community and build a great investment that gives the holders back. So with the value points here, the more value points you have will determine how much of the total supply of the reward pool you will receive in passive income each month. So with ADAPUNKSSOCIETY, because there is only 913 of them, there's not many of these. This project could, fly high through the floor, right? Once staking is implemented, because you get 6 points, right? So, which is a lot compared to just the 1 point, because there's 6,666 apes. So they're taking that into consideration, which I think is great. So the more points you have, the more of the staking pool you'll get. I assume this hasn't been put here just yet because it's not out yet, because it looks like it's infinite points. I'm not sure if that's a thing or not. Does it say on here infinite points? So I'm not sure if that's correct or not, guys. I'm going to assume it's not out yet because they haven't announced the project date and all that stuff just yet. But yeah, the more NFTs you have, the more staking adder and all that you will get given to you, which obviously makes sense. So yeah, maybe it could be worth picking up some ADAPUNKSSOCIETY, not going to lie to you guys. And, if you do manage to mint a few of the ADAAPES as well, then fantastic. You're still getting 1 point, and you might be able to get a few for cheaper price when you mint them, right? Which is excellent. So, our staking funds are currently at 12,273 ADA. They want to bring that up to 30,000 ADA before applying its function to our holders. Our staking function will only be for holders of our collections. So yeah, you need to hold one of each, which is great. And they do mention a bit about a metaverse here. They're not promising you guys there will be one, but they do want to try and implement their project, whether it's their own metaverse or maybe into a different one. I always think projects nowadays should just maybe go into a project that are bringing a metaverse out and have already started it, rather than trying to make their own, because that does require a lot of capital, a lot of teamwork, a lot of developers, all that type of stuff. It does cost a lot of money. So if the guys are listening, I would recommend maybe partnering up with a different project for Metaverse, unless you guys have got the funding and the experience and all that type of stuff to make your own. But I think it's absolutely brilliant that you are taking in the consideration of a Metaverse. So very good job with that. In the future, this is the beginning of something big. The priority is to increase the team, make more high quality collections, and sustain the CNFT community, and hopefully provide more capability in the metaverse. So, they have always talked about giving back to you guys, the community, constantly using the funds to make the next project better and higher quality, and increasing the team, and just making the entire business that they have of ADAPUNKSSOCIETY even better and greater than it already is. So I think that is fabulous from them, guys. We as the community of ADAPUNKSSOCIETY are establishing a foundation at this early stage of this journey, and our long-term goal is to sustain, help, and build the CNFT community to make it thrive in the market. We're steadily growing our social media base via Twitter and Discord, which has been compounding the goal that we've been serving from the start of the project. So yeah, just from reading this, whoever wrote this has done an excellent job, I think, because like for me, it's given me that sense of feeling of calmness, I think, because it's like, oh, I can trust these guys. They're not promising you guys major things. They're just saying, oh, this is what we would like to do. And they've already done a project before, so it's like, okay, they're all literally doing the things that the guys are saying they're doing. And if we go over to their Twitter here, you can see 5,000 followers, and then on the pinned tweet here, which was only 7 hours ago, they've got 683 likes and 309 retweets, which is absolutely fantastic. Let me give that a little like there as well. You've got DZ here from NFT Alpha, which you should go check out. NFT Alpha, join the Discord. I am a moderator over there. I run the Discord and all that type of stuff. So yeah, check them out. But yeah, DZ put a post here about making a what Cardano NFT drop in the next 2 weeks, or would you like a deeper dive on? You can see ADAPUNKSSOCIETY was put in, which is bullish. It's bullish. Free marketing. The likelihood of them being shown off is big as well. There was a new video that came up from NFT Alpha. I'm unsure if they were included because I haven't actually watched it myself just yet. But the fact that this is included right now is bullish in my opinion. The more free marketing, the better, right? That's just what everyone loves. So yeah, great job with this. I don't know if they paid DZ to do this or what. I don't believe so. If we keep going down the page here, so 2 days ago, they made this post here. 755 likes. I'm going to give it a like as well. A couple of 100 retweets as well. So just absolutely amazing work from the community. It's bullish, right? I did have a little look about the followers. I used a website to see if they had any fake followers. They literally had none, right? It was about 5 to 7% of fake, which is normal for any Twitter, NFT, or crypto project. That's just normal. There's always going to be bots trying to do that. And the fact that it's only about 7%, that's fabulous. Anything above 15% is a bit of a red flag to me. So this is 7%. That's nice. It's lovely, nice and calm. You can relax and chill out with that. The Discord's popping. I joined it. Chat's busy. Community is always helping each other, that type of thing. So yeah. ADAAPES3D coming out on the 24th, guys. The pre-sale is tomorrow. I'm just going to say bravo to the team. I think it's absolutely fabulous what they're doing. Just from reading this white paper, it is only small, but it's small and sweet, and I do like that. It just gives me that calm sense of feeling, and then talking with them on Twitter, it's just nice as well. They've been really nice to me in our Twitter and just checking up on things, and yeah, I think the team is brilliant. Project looks brilliant. They've got amazing marketing going on. Amazing community just from this. They're small, but they're doing big things, just blowing up everywhere on their own Twitter and the Discord. So yeah, it could be worth checking out. So yeah, if you're interested, guys, I'm gonna leave all links down below. Make sure to do your own research, of course. And if you did enjoy today's video, I kind of just did a little chill, relaxed video today on this project, which I hope you liked my vibe today. So yeah, if you did enjoy today's vibe, hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos, keep up to date, all that type of stuff, hit the subscribe button. It is much appreciated. I'm trying to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. I believe you will hit it. So yeah, guys, thank you for the love and support recently. I absolutely love all you guys in the comment section, giving me tips and just things to do better with my channel. So thank you so much for all that. So yeah, ADAAPES3D coming out on the 24th. Go check them out. I'm going to check them out. Probably mint 1 or 2 if I can. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace.